Solidarity.
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 Solidarity can be a noun or a name. As a noun, solidarity can mean 1. A bond of unity or agreement between individuals, united around a common goal or against a common enemy, such as the unifying principle that defines the labor movement, mutual support within a group. 2. Willingness to give psychological and/or material support when another person is in a difficult position or needs affection. As a name, solidarity can mean a political movement begun in the labor unions of Poland that contributed to the fall of communism in that country.
To cultivate that commitment to solidarity.